As a family of 7 who travels a lot, I get asked frequently how we pack for our trips and do it efficiently. We've been to 16 countries as a family. Oftentimes I've been alone without my husband and all 5 of our kids. And I've learned some things that make it easier, and I wanted to share those. The first 2 keys, I believe, to having a successful trip are packing efficiently, which I believe in packing very lightly, having everything you need and nothing more. And the second is to be organized with what you pack. So I used to use Ziploc bags to put everyone's outfit individually into the suitcase, and then I'd label them. Well, I discovered packing cubes a while ago. We were just recently gifted these ones from Andrew's parents, and they are amazing. So this is a little bit of a review of the ones we have. The ones we have are they're from eBags, ebags.com. There are 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. This is a small, and 4 sizes. This is a slim, so it's comparable to the size small, but different shape. I actually don't have any of the mediums, although I'm ordering them because we need them. And this is a size large. I use the larges to pack the entire family's pajamas. We always need pajamas all at once, so I put them all in one bag. And the other thing I like to pack in the larges is the entire family's swimsuits and swim gear, hats included and everything. I think the mediums could maybe even fit all of that too. The reason that I like these particular bags, they have multiple colors, maybe 10 to 12 different colors. So we color code our family. So one kid has orange, one kid has pink, one has blue, etc. That way it's easy to identify whose clothing it is when you go into your suitcase. The other reason that I like these bags in particular is because they use mesh, so you can see inside them and you know what clothing it is that's inside them without having to open it. I think the mesh is probably better than ones that have plastic because these are, I would think, are more durable. So I'll show you what fits into each of the sizes. This is a size small. I think these are perfect for children. Up to, my daughter's size 10, her clothing can fit in here, and I actually use size small for my own clothing. I'll show you what fits in here. So this is a typical outfit for our son, who is wearing size 7. So jeans, underwear, socks, shirt, and it all fits into a small easily with just a tiny bit of room left. And then I'll show you that one of my outfits can also fit in here. And this is, a bulkier outfit. It's a sweater, socks, underwear, bra, and jeans. It's more snug and it takes a little bit more work, but my whole outfit will fit into a size small. So I can show you one outfit for me. Now the tricky part, and this is why I'm getting size mediums, is my husband's clothing does not fit into a size small. So this is a long sleeve shirt and jeans for him, too big for a small. So for now we've been using the large size. This is a large. And when you put it in, there's plenty of room. You can actually fit 2 men's outfits in a large, but if you use just one outfit, you can always fold it over and it fits nicely. So I usually pack 3 to 4 outfits per person, and we are able to manage our entire family will pack into one suitcase. The clothing of our entire family will pack in one suitcase. So I put all of the bags once they're packed into our one large hard case Samsonite, which I can get information on the one that we use. And what I suggest doing, no matter how long your trip is packing never more than 5 outfits total. So we can pack 3 outfits a piece into this one suitcase. We always have one outfit on, and then I always pack 1 outfit per person in a backpack. So if we're flying, each kid has their own backpack with their toys, snacks, and 1 extra outfit. I think it's important to always have extra clothing on board a plane just in case there's some sort of accident or you get dirty somehow or whatever. I've learned the hard way to always pack an extra outfit for myself too. And I will include the babies in my backpack. So if you have 1 outfit on, 1 in a backpack, 3 each in a suitcase, that's 5 total. And if you're doing a 10-day trip, that's 1 set of laundry if you plan it correctly in between, and that's what works for us. So the other thing that I suggest is if you're going to multiple destinations in one trip, and say you're staying at a hotel or someone's house for 1 to 2 nights, these packing cubes make things very easy for something like that. What I do is I always pack a backpack, an extra backpack. This one's kind of bulky. I have one that actually slims down to a very small size. It's more easily packable. But I will take our bag of pajamas, 1 outfit a piece, or 2 if we can fit it, into the backpack with our toiletries, and then that's all we have to carry into that hotel or Airbnb, someone's house. Just 1 backpack, toiletries, our outfits, pajamas, that's all we need. We don't have to lug around our big suitcase, or if we have multiple suitcases, all of them. The other thing that I do is I always pack a mesh laundry bag. So this does not take up very much space in the backpack. As soon as we have, or in the suitcase, as soon as we have dirty laundry or things that cannot be reworn, put it in this, because it's a bag, it's fluid, and it will fit into spaces in the empty space easily. So as this fills up, our bags become empty, we'll do our laundry 1 time, 2 times of whatever if needed, and we do it all at once, and then repack our little bags once again. So that's how we do it. If you don't have packing cubes, I highly recommend getting them. If you like the ones that we have.